WeChatify was built as a standalone platform, but now fully integrates with Salesforce Marketing Cloud and Service Cloud. In this demo, we'll cover 3 topics. First, we'll go through all the WeChatify features. Then, you can see how WeChatify integrates with Marketing Cloud. And third, we can go through a brief overview of our Service Cloud integration. Now coming to the WeChatify features. All content creation happens in this section called Creatives. We have a content creation workflow here that can be enabled or disabled as a client setting. Once the content is created, it can then be used in a broadcast message, a 48-hour response message, or in a Marketing Cloud journey. We'll now move on to broadcast configuration. This is where you will be assembling the broadcast message that should go out, selecting the audience, and the date and time of delivery. Once the broadcast is sent, the tracking information will be available in the logs. Moving to response configuration, this is where the message digests for the menu responses and the 48-hour response messages get set up. You'll also be able to set up article tracking here that allows you to get granular engagement data at a per-user level that you cannot get directly on WeChat. These activities can be triggers for starting off new one-to-one journeys for the user. The next feature is follower management. All your WeChat followers will be listed here, and you can filter them based on parameters WeChat provides and tag them to different groups. This follower list will also be available in Marketing Cloud. The next feature is the User-Defined Menu. This is where you can manage your WeChat account microsite from. This is very similar to the WeChat interface. But the key enhancement over WeChat here is this tagging feature. This allows you to track exactly who the followers are who clicked on a menu item or even a specific message. And based on their click, you can trigger a new journey for them. The next feature is user management, which allows you to set up user roles for the organization and set up access to users based on their assigned roles. Next is the WeChat Statistics. This gives you an overview of the follower stats, total users, how many joined, demographic information, etc. More detailed engagement stats are in the development pipeline at the moment. The next feature is the Autoresponder. You can configure the welcome message here and set up other keywords and the automated responses that should go out. WeChat also has an automatic response system, but the difference is that WeChatify supports natural language questions and will be able to provide responses to much more than exact match keywords. The next feature is customer support. Here you can see all the messages followers are sending you and respond to them. This has chat routing, agent transfers, chat notifications, and dashboards for tracking customer service activity and agent performance on the account. Next is the tag statistics. Here you can track all the menu clicks and one-to-one journey interactions by the user. For example, you can see exactly who the 50 followers are who clicked on a promo message you sent out today and at what times. And all this tracking data is moved into Marketing Cloud, so you can use this to send those users on personalized journeys. The next feature is the Content Planner. You can use this to plan your weekly content marketing calendar. The next feature is the QR code generator. When you are doing WeChat marketing, the most common call to action is a QR code scan. So for all these marketing campaigns, you can generate a QR code directly from here. There are 2 major benefits to using this QR code generator. 1, you can add a tag to it and see exactly who those users are who scanned the QR code. And 2, you can send them different messages as a response based on the QR code scanned. Once again, our goal here is increasing engagement by sending them the right content based on where they are or what they might be doing. The next feature is contests. This is a moments contest. This is a very popular way of acquiring followers or doing viral marketing where you ask your followers to share something on Moments and send a screenshot so you can pick a winner. When you are running a moments contest, all the screenshots your followers send will appear here. And once the contest period is done, you will be able to select a random winner from here. Next is the template messages. These are used to send out notifications and therefore do not have messaging restrictions. Standard notifications can be sent from here, and personalized notifications can be set up through Marketing Cloud. These personalized notifications can be sent out for any activity. For example, it could be used to dynamically send out a coupon expiry reminder, a shipping notification, or similar personalized notifications. The next feature is a Raffle Contest. This is quite simple to set up and popular. Once you create and activate a raffle, you can associate it with any follower activity like a QR code scan and allow the user to participate in the raffle. The next feature is the data binding. Using this feature, you can ask followers to register with their email and phone number. Once they enter this, you can now associate the WeChat ID to a specific email ID or phone number, which will be associated with other information in Marketing Cloud, like when they last stayed at the hotel, their purchases, and etc. Once the data binding is complete, you can get a full 360 view of the customer and use this information when you are sending them WeChat messages. The next module is for SMS. This is used for sending out bulk SMS to China phone numbers. Our Marketing Cloud integration allows you to send out personalized SMS to China. The next feature is Store Finder. This is used by all our customers who have retail outlets. Once all the locations have been added here, it helps customers by sharing the closest store locations, timings, and directions based on their current location. Next, we have the Referral Campaign. This is another contest module. Once the contest is activated, it tracks all referrals from a specific follower and enters eligible followers into a lucky draw. Next is the Vouchers Module. This allows you to create WeChat coupons for discounts, giveaways, group discounts, and more, which can be redeemed via WeChat Pay or through the POS. Next is Event Management. You can create new events, set up an event registration for WeChat, and a check-in process for the event location. Next is the SFMC Settings module. This is where you can set up the activity triggers for the WeChat journeys on Marketing Cloud. This is an overview of the WeChatify features. Next is the Marketing Cloud integration. All the data we get about the followers and their interactions will be flowed into Marketing Cloud to the data extensions. In the Journey Builder, you can create user journeys based on this data. This is a simple journey we've set up for our demo. To include WeChat messages in the journey, we've created a custom activity. You can drag and include this item at any point where a WeChat message needs to be sent. Once it's been included, simply select the name of the WeChat broadcast that's been created in WeChatify. At that point, in the user journey, this mapped message will get sent out on WeChat. Next, we'll move to the Service Cloud integration. When Chatify is installed on Service Cloud, all the followers on the official account will be added as Salesforce contacts. Now, when a follower sends a message to the account, WeChatify sends the message to the live agent if the agent is online. If no agents are available, it will send out the standard fallback message to the user. WeChatify supports all the message routing features in Service Cloud. Now, if the agent determines that a case has to be created for follow-up action, she can simply select the relevant messages and create a case. Whenever there are updates to the case, they will be pushed over to the user via the official account. This gives you an overview of all the platform features. We'd love to hear from you if you have any questions.